Open government is the opportunity to take all the available data and information that exists in a city, that exists within government, and put it in a simple, transparent way or platform so that people in the community can access that information and use it to improve everyone's lives and the functioning of the community. I would start by saying we talk often about Government 2.0, and I feel like in City Hall we got to get to Government 1.0 and make sure that we have an infrastructure in place and technological systems that enable us to operate more efficiently, whether that's being able to file for a permit or a license online, not having to physically go to City Hall, interface with a person, where we're creating efficiencies and consistencies and using technology to streamline processes and to save money. So it starts there. The next phase of it is how do you create simple platforms for people to connect, whether that's through kind of in the Facebookization of San Francisco, to give people platforms to connect socially and then connect in ways that can have a powerful impact on how things work in a city, whether that is reporting incidences, reporting crimes, understanding what's happening in their neighborhood, but creating platforms that enable people to connect with one another and to share information and then expertise also with one another. For 2 years, I did what I called a listening tour, and I went community by community, neighborhood by neighborhood, and talked to people about what they want in the next phase of leadership in San Francisco. And what I heard loud and clear from people was, I'm willing to pay my fair share, but you have to tell me where my money goes. And when people tried to understand how the city uses funds and makes investment in things and sets priorities on things, there was very little accountability and transparency. And this is where I always say we're like the shoemaker's kids who don't have any shoes. We're the innovation capital of the world, and we don't embrace that in terms of how we run our government. We don't use technology to create that transparency and to demonstrate accountability that better serves the community and just informs the community. And people are hungry for that, and this is something we should do right away.